Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to take an image generated with AI and transform it into a video using OpenArt. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, first go to openart.ai. If you can, use the link in my description. It really helps me create more AI content for my music and for you guys. Let's start by making an image. For this video, we'll create two different images that we're going to turn into a video for my next music video, Afterglow. In the image section, go to Model or Character. I'll select my character and try to generate a new image with it. We'll use some reference images to help guide the generation. The goal of this generation is to create a picture of me entering a futuristic nightclub called Afterglow. For this first image, I want to show you how to use 3 reference photos, so I don't need to use my character. For people on the free plan, this method is cheaper. So I select photorealistic and nano banana as the model, then enter my prompt and turn on auto enhance. Now, I need to select 3 reference images. I'm going to use my history because it's faster and I have a lot of pictures there. Finally, I'll set the ratio to 16:9 and create. I would love this picture to look the same, or even better, but with me facing the front door as if I'm about to enter the club. So let's see the result of this first generation. Hey, not bad. I actually prefer the style, but I'm still not facing the entrance. Okay, let's modify the prompt a little bit. In fact, let's just remove the enhance prompt option and see what we get. Click create and perfect. Now I'm facing the front door, ready to enter. Before turning this image into a video, I'm going to generate another image. This time, I'll use one of my character models, Nova. I want a close-up of her face because she's really beautiful. So let's start with a prompt describing her dancing inside the club, and I want the image to focus closely on her face. Okay, I want to keep the style of the picture, but as you can see, there are other people in the image. I'll use this generation as a composition reference, so let's go into history and select it. Now let's remove the auto enhance option to see if we get a better result. We still have people in the background. We'll need to change the prompt for this one. Let's write, at Nova is alone in the scene and try the generation again. Wait, still not what we want. There are people in the background again. I'm going to remove the dancing in the club part of the prompt and see what happens. Sometimes it's hard to express exactly what you want with a prompt, so be very selective with what you write. We're going to double check everything before our next attempt. Auto enhance is still off, the prompt looks great, and we have our composition reference picture of Nova. The aspect ratio is good, so let's create. I think we got it this time. Oh yeah. Wow. She's beautiful. Sorry, it's getting hot in here. Okay, I'm definitely downloading this picture. Now I want to generate a video from this image, so I'll select image to video. As you can see, we're already in the right section. This prompt will be simple because I just want a close-up of her face with a little bit of effect. The next challenge is choosing the right model for the video generation. Each model has its own strengths and costs a different amount of credits depending on the quality and the length of the video. Personally, I really like Kling 2.5 because it only costs 100 credits for a 5-second generation with really good quality, but feel free to explore the other options. For beginners, I recommend starting with a 5-second video. Sometimes the AI does weird things when it comes to longer generations. Trust me, if you want to generate longer videos, your prompt needs to be long and clear. Don't give the AI too much room for creativity. Let's create our first image to video with Kling 2.5 and see the result. Here we go. first try. That's exactly what I wanted. Now, let's download this video without the watermark. Since I'm on a paid plan, I have that option. If you're serious about image and video generation, I really recommend the Advanced Subscription Plan PF OpenArt since you get 12,000 credits per month. That's a lot, and it lets you experiment and learn from your mistakes without worrying about running out of credits. Now, let's work on the next video. This scene will be more complex, but I'll try it with a simple prompt. From my history, I'll select the picture of me that we generated earlier and try to make myself enter the nightclub. Simple prompt, like I said, the woman enters the nightclub. That's it. I'm still using Kling 2.5 with a 5-second generation and create. I really hope we get it on the first try this time too. Of course we got it. We're getting pretty good at this generation stuff, right? I'll download this video without the watermark, and you'll see both of these generations featured in my next music video, Afterglow, which will probably be released in early November. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it when it drops. Thank you so much for watching, and in my next video, I'll show you how to use lip sync generation for music videos. Stay safe, guys, and see you next time.
In the afterglow, I'm still awake, haunted by the moves I couldn't make. Every shadow fades, but I still know I'm alive inside the afterglow.